Want to fix iPhone if ongoing call don't ring? Then here's the simple steps on how you can fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Or you can also enable cellular data. Now the next thing you want to try doing is turn on the airplane mode and then turn it off. Once done, the next thing you want to do is try restarting your device. Tap and hold these assistive dots and then click on restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue. Once the device has been restarted, make a call and check whether the issue has been fixed or not. If not, the next thing you can try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Scroll all the way down and then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then click on Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode of your device. Once again, click on Reset All Settings. Most of the time, resetting all the settings has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.